Hey y'all, Miss Mayhew here with another phylogenetic tree example. So in this one, we are looking at examples that have molecular comparisons in the table. So the first thing you're going to do is to identify your power couple. Okay, these are the two organisms that have the fewest number of differences. Okay, those are the most closely related, and they're going to be side by side on the branch. So if you look at the table below, okay, which two organisms have the lowest number of differences? That would be the wolves and the domesticated dogs. Okay, when I look and see where they intersect, they only have one difference in this amino acid sequence. So those two are going to be my power couple that I'm going to place on the two closest related branch right here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the number of differences with the other species when you compare them to our power couple. So how many differences do these other species have with with the wolves and the domesticated dogs? So with that information, looking down my column with the fox, I can see that it has 24 differences with wolves and 30 with the domesticated dogs. And my coyotes, I can see, have 8 differences with the wolves and 10 with the domesticated dogs. Now group 3 says to identify the outgroup. Okay, this is the one that has the least in common or the most different. So that would be the one that's going to be placed by itself with the branch connected closest to the common ancestor. That one's the oldest. Looking at my table, I see that the biggest number of differences is 30. Right there with the domesticated dog and the fox. Okay, my other biggest numbers are 24 and 23, also with the fox. So I'm going to say that my fox is my outgroup. It has the most differences with everything else. So I'm going to place that on my tree on the outgroup. Okay, another way that I can do this by comparing the number of differences with that power couple that we talked about earlier is I can see which ones are most closely related to that power couple. So I can see obviously that the most related are the wolves and the domesticated dogs. They only have one difference. My next smallest number is 8, and that is the number of differences between coyotes and wolves. So it's safe to say that my coyotes are pretty closely related to the wolves. So my next one from the domesticated dogs and wolves, the next closest relative would be the coyotes. And I'll add that onto the tree. Hopefully this example helped y'all out and you were able to get some good practice. If you have any questions, make sure you email your teacher. That's it for now. Bye.